Let's learn a language for real with AI. In the channel you have a playlist with the best AIs. Today we're delving into Roseta Stones. Download it to your phone, link in the description, as always, no worries. First off, choose the language. You have many to choose from, these are just examples. You also have different topics. Let's choose a unit. You have units and subunits. You'll practice pronunciation, vocabulary and grammar. Let's see how. This is just a snippet.
Eating. E.
E.
Ding.
Ding.
Goodbye.
A man.
A boy. A girl.
A woman.
A girl. The girl is drinking.
The girl is drinking.
The boy is drinking.
The boy is drinking.
The boy.
What's good about this app? It's well organized, you learn from context, repetition to memorize, you will memorize, and you develop several skills. What's not so good? You just have a few activities which are free. But you have a lifetime plan if you want to. Learning a language has never been so easy. I have a playlist with the best AI tools that can complement each other. You can practice a lot of your skills for free for 10 minutes every day. And if you combine all the tools, you have many minutes every day. So go and check it out. If you liked the video, as always, I have many amazing tools, free tools for you and your projects. Thanks so much for supporting my work and watching my videos. Bye bye for now.